Hello! Do you know that you can make a delicious loaf of bread with only 4 ingredients and less than 20 minutes of work? You know, I come from France and my family, just like any other French family, loves bread and we eat bread with every meal. Problem is, here in the US, bread is either super expensive if you get it fresh from the bakery, or it is loaded with preservatives and added sugar if you buy it at the supermarket. And I don't want my children to eat that kind of stuff. You know, I am a health and wellness coach. I specialize in type 2 diabetes prevention, and eating healthy is super important to me. So for the past 15 years, I've been making bread at home for my family, and I've come up with a recipe that is super simple, foolproof, doesn't require any baking skills. Bread maker, you don't even have to knead the dough. So if you want to learn how to make bread on your own, if you're intimidated, join me in my next bread making class. It happens over Zoom, and I will teach you how to make bread easily and how to make all kinds of different loaves with only one super simple recipe. I look forward to baking with you. See you then!